What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the Phoenix Mall Singapore Airlines 747-400 freighter, SCD. Don't actually remember what that stands for, but yeah, so here we have it. I forgot to mention in my previous small unboxing, which was another Phoenix models, the Air Canada 7.6. These are all part of a large Phoenix Malls haul from I want to say their February release or their March release. I picked up quite a few of the Phoenix Malls aircraft. Now, I picked this one up because I've really been needing a Singapore Airlines cargo for quite some time, and you know, I know the Phoenix Malls mold is not incredible. It could really use some work, and the printing is kind of off sometimes. But as I said, I needed a Singapore Airlines cargo. It's the first time one's been released in a hot minute, so I just decided to pick this up. And you know, maybe one day NG will have a 747-400 freighter mold, and I'll be able to replace it. We'll see. But let's get right on into it. Let's check it out. See how good or bad it is. Registration 9 Victor Sierra Fox Quebec. Here's a pretty, box art picture of Singapore there. The Marina Bay Sands. I forget what this is. Then the downtown area. The back, the Ferris wheel. Beautiful picture. There we go. Let's open her up. This side's already kind of open, so I'll open it from this side this time. Alright, here we have it. Looks pretty good. It doesn't appear broken, which is good. There we go. Let's open her up. Plastic off. Okay. There we go. Alrighty, here we have the aircraft, and overall it doesn't look too bad. I don't know, it doesn't seem as bad as I've seen that it's made out to be. Then again, I haven't really done a full comparison to like look and compare this to something else. So to be honest, I can't say exactly how good or bad this mold is overall. It looks pretty good, and as I say, Phoenix, I've had issues with their printing, like the details and the decals, etc. on the aircraft, those being off or messed up, but the molds are usually okay. They're just probably at that okay, and this seems okay to me. So here we go, we'll get right on into it. We got the nose. This is one of those ones that has the nose door that can open up. So there's the markings and everything for that. The cockpit windows and everything looking alright. It has something right there in the nose. Singapore Airlines right there. Very nice. Got the three little windows up the upper deck there where the crew rest is. Got the door there. FQ on the gear door and everything. And then Singapore Airlines cargo titles across the fuselage. Looking very nice. Got the antenna at the top there. And antenna at the bottom. And then the engines, I believe this is a Rolls-Royce. Are they? Yeah, I believe they're the Rolls-Royce. Could be wrong. Hopefully they're not Pratt & Whitney. I think they're the Rolls-Royce though. The wings, it just looks a little slanted because of how it's sitting on the box. It's sitting low. But yeah, overall, not bad. No crazy like rocket ships or anything. The wings look pretty good. They're not, they're sitting just right. Moving along, you got the cargo door there at the back, the upper deck, the main deck, and then the Singapore flag, and then the registration back here, 9 Victor Sierra Fox Quebec, and the rear door there. Singapore Airlines logo on the tail there, very nice. I love their tail. The tail's very nice. It's kind of like, interesting. I'm not sure. I'd have to look back at some of my other models, but I don't know if they've put that sort of like metallic-y like gold looking where it reflects the light like that. That looks really nice, but I'm not sure how accurate that is. Anyway, flipping to this side, got the bulk bin door and the aft cargo door, lower cargo door, and then the forward cargo door there. and a little emergency exit out right there. So overall, not a bad model. I'm happy with it, to be honest. There's a top-down view, and then the bottom, very plain and simple. The registration is on the wing there. I'm quite happy with this. You know, it's going to come in handy in the future. I know these are probably going out the door, you know, out of here in the next couple of years, as they probably replace them with 777s, but it is what it is. I'm excited to have this, nonetheless. So, yeah, I know this is another pretty quick review, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.